Speaking Part 1 Questions and Answers. Part 1. How do you usually contact your friends? Why? There are many modes of communication I use to get in touch with my friends. I reach to them electronically and personally. If they are away from me, I make contact to them with the help of cell phone, internet and so on. Many times we are to discuss something important, then I go to them in person. It depends on easy and possible way to get around my friends and other relatives too. 2. Do you prefer to contact different people in different ways? Why? I would here extend my thanks and appreciation to the people who make communication easy. I do contact different people in different ways. The people who are well known to me, I contact them frequently by visiting, texting and making video calls. The people I don't know well, I don't mostly visit them in person. I contact them through emails and texts. I don't use video calls for them. 3. Do you find it easy to keep in contact with friends and family? Why? Why not? Gone are the days when people would hear from their friends and family members after a long time. The letter would take months to reach and it could take even longer to get the response. Today communication has become a piece of cake. We can contact our family and friends very easily. The innovation and progression in the communication technology enable us to talk, share and heart from our near and dear in a minute. We use our mobiles and can reach to them whenever we want. 4. In your country, did people in the past keep in contact in the same ways as they do today? Why? Why not? In past, people had very limited options to contact, mainly they would opt for postcards and letters. But nowadays using postcards and letters is a cliché. We today, like in the world which is just like a village, can reach any corner of it just by using our fingers. If our friend or any family member is in another country, we can see him through video calls, leave him a text or voice message or post in his Facebook wall, but in past people did not have all these advantages. Part 2. Describe a party that you enjoyed. You should say where it was and what it was celebrating, where the party was held and who went to it, what people did during the party, and explain what you enjoyed about the party. Model answer. I must say that I am not a party boy. I don't accept more social invitations these days. I do attend parties and other functions organized by friends and relatives. Whenever I go to any such programs, I love talking to people I don't know, enjoy the food and music. Couple of months back my best friend passed his SET examination. It is an examination to get enrolled in business schools, colleges and universities. It is highly regarded examination in our country. Mr. AJ, my best friend, got 3 road rank in the state, so we all were very happy. My friend called me up and invited me to join party. He also asked me to call up other friends to be there. The party was being held in one of the best hotels of our hometown named Janat. Our hometown is just 10 kilometers from my house and easy to reach. We all friends got here and I saw that there were many known and unknown faces. It was really a pleasing experience to see the Member of Parliament was there to congratulate him and celebrate his achievement. People were well dressed and tickled pink. There were my friends' family members, relatives, classmates and other important people of town. In the party we enjoyed the music and food there. The song sung by one of friends and dedicated to Mr. AJ was very special. We all put our heart, mind and soul and started dancing. I noticed that almost everyone was trying to move his body. The party was well organized, we had great fun there. The celebration of our friend's achievement took us on cloud 9. This was really special. Part 3. Family parties. What are the main reasons why people organize family parties in your country? 1. Well, there are many factors give reasons to arrange family parties. In past people were not that busy, could get together and celebrate. Nowadays we live in a highly competitive and busy world. We lack chances to celebrate together though we have unlimited resources. People organize such parties to meet their friends, relatives and other close people. It is sometimes difficult to make special to visit. Parties, festivals and carnivals are like bridges to fill this gap. One more thing I would like to mention is that throwing parties has become a trend to make match, do business or mend the broken relationships. Yes, we can build new relationship as well. 2. In some places people spend a lot of money on parties that celebrate special family event. Is this ever true in your country? Do you think this trend is good or bad trend? Lavishing too much on parties has become order of the days in my country. People pour a lot of money on marriage, birthdays and events that bring success in any form. I believe that such trends don't serve anything good to the society. Such examples set people's mind of showing off by spending too much. It is often shown on the television people who earn big money organize parties in hotels that charges too much. I think people should use that money for the welfare of the society. It would be an investment to make our world a better place. 3. Are there any differences between family parties and parties given by friends? Why do you think this is? Family parties and parties organized by friends vary a lot. If I talk about family parties, there we have to be very cultural and decent. Even people have to mind what they wear. The parties thrown by friends are way different. We don't have to set any dress code. We can behave frankly and dance on any tune. In family parties, alcoholic drinks are not allowed. We can enjoy that in friends' parties. 4. National celebrations. What kinds of national celebrations do you have in your country? Well, there are many national events celebrated with shows and pumps in my county. India is a very civilized country that celebrates the Independence Day, Republic Day, birthdays of freedom fighters and martyrs, great saints and scientists. Independence Day and Republic Days are highly regarded. On 15th August 1947 our nation was officially declared independent from British rule. On the Republic Day we had our own constitutions as other countries has that time. People are very excited to celebrate the birthdays of freedom fighters and martyrs who laid their lives to get our nation free from the tyrant rule of Britain. 5. Who tend to enjoy national celebrations more, young people or old people? Why? Well, when it comes to celebrate for the nation we forget the age, gender and religion. We all come up together and celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day. Birthdays of great people played major role to build our nation. Senior people's significant role to let young know the history of their country. The flag of our nations is hoisted by the seniors who have done something for the people of our nation. I must say that senior have great impact on the national celebrations. They guide to do some social works on such occasions, plant trees and volunteer in the civil hospitals. 6. Why do you think some people think that national celebrations are waste of government money? Would you agree or disagree with this view? Why? Spending money on national functions is not a waste of money and is an investment made in the country people. I don't agree with such thought. People do spend money from their pockets to celebrate such events. It would be bad if too much money is spent. The money of government must be spent in right manners.